Hey everyone! Today, I'm giving my fridge a full refresh, clean, neat, and super satisfying. I started by taking everything out, then used a steam cleaner to melt away all the stains and odors. With a cute little scrubber and a dry machine, I made every shelf and door sparkle like new. Now, I'm packing all the fruits and veggies so nicely, everything looks organized and beautiful. If you love aesthetic cleaning like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. More satisfying routines are coming soon.